how to set up screen lock, PIN, password, or pattern lock on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, we then tap on screen lock and biometrics. Next, to set a PIN, password, or a pattern lock, simply tap on it. So first, let's try the PIN. So if I tap on PIN, here you can enter in the PIN and tap on continued. Then enter in the PIN again and tap on OK. Okay, so now tap on done. And we have successfully set the lock screen with a PIN. So to gain access, we need to enter the PIN. Putting in the wrong PIN will deny access. Okay, so that is the PIN lock. Now we can set up other security methods such as password. Okay, so to change your password, tap on password and put in the password and tap on continued. Put in the same password again to confirm and tap on OK. Now say it does not match, so we try it again and then tap on OK. Okay, so that is how you can set up a password. So here, say enter the password. Password will be harder to remember, but it will be more secure as it has more combinations. And here, to make a change, we need to enter in the current password. And lastly, you can set up a pattern lock. So here we can set up a pattern and tap on continued. Then we draw the same pattern and confirm. And that's it. Here I can now use a pattern to unlock the screen. To remove them or to change them, we go back into lock screen and we draw the same pattern. From here, we can now choose swipe or set PIN and tap on continued. Then tap on the same PIN again to confirm. And that's it. So that is how you can set up your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.